It's Kyle's birthday weekend. I like birthdays probably too much, more than the average person. So his birthday's not until Monday. Today's Saturday. Last night we started off the weekend with hammocking and reading and food. So let's start. I think we took like one clip, so you can watch that.
Goodbye, world.
And then right now we are going to the Omaha Farmers Market because, I've been wanting to go all summer. So we're just tacking it on as Kyle's birthday morning, Saturday birthday morning. That's what we're about to go do right now. Hopefully we find something good. We haven't been downtown Omaha really at all.
In a while.
Yeah.
It's been a couple months.
Yeah. So we're going to go have fun, maybe eat some food, find some good snacks, and we will take you along with us. Every time. I'm leaving Kyle for a little bit because one of his requests this weekend was that he got to watch Premier League soccer, even though that's one of his requests every weekend. But since it's his birthday weekend, he's watching that, and I'm running to the grocery store to pick up some ingredients to make his cake. We're gonna make a paleo chocolate cake that I've never made before, but hopefully it turns out well. It looks amazing and pretty easy. So I'll grab the ingredients for that and then be back and we'll carry on with our day. So like I said earlier, I really love birthdays a lot, and last year I had a really fun surprise day birthday planned for him. It was a Saturday, so it was a lot easier to do a lot of things. So this year, since his birthday's on a Monday, I'm like, we'll just have all weekend. Kyle doesn't know this yet, but his parents are coming tomorrow to celebrate his birthday with us, and they're in Iowa now and we're in Nebraska, so it's not too far of a drive. And he's probably wondering why I'm making a cake just for the two of us, but he also knows that I really like baking, and I told him we could freeze the leftovers, but we'll have people here to enjoy the cake with us. He just doesn't know that yet. We're on our way to the next birthday surprise. Although it's not a surprise because Kyle already knew about it, but the German American Society here in Omaha is putting on a drive-through Oktoberfest, so they're just gonna have like bands playing, they're gonna have some brats, they're gonna have other German food like sauerkraut, we're gonna have pretzels. So
It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be super great. So we're gonna go drive through that right now and bring you guys along. Every time I get in Kyle's car, my first thing is just to open up the sunroof because I don't have one. So I love having a sunroof. Sometimes then we forget to put it up when we park or put it forward.
And it's not good. I get mad.
Because then it's like, it's gonna fade the seats. I'm like, I don't have a sunroof. I don't remember these things. I just get excited when I open them. All right, after how long we wait? Half an hour? 35 minutes?
Yeah,
We have
40,
now
40 minutes.
40 minutes. We have now entered the parking lot, which there are still cars in, and then we will get our food. And we weren't planning on this being dinner, but now
Maybe.
we'll see how we're feeling. We'll see how long this takes. You guys probably can't hear, but we do have German music playing for us. Maybe you can hear. At least we got that. La, 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 la. We waited in line for an hour and we wanted pretzels since we already had dinner plans for tonight, but they were sold out of the pretzels. So we decided we were gonna split a pork schnitzel meal, so it has German potato salad and sauerkraut and a German beer. So we still got something for the hour of waiting, but it wasn't the pretzels like we wanted.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna go eat this, and then we'll have second dinner in a little bit.
Second dinner will be good.
world.
Oh, dang it, this got in the way. That's tasty. That's what I thought.
That's not that much. See how light and fluffy it is? Oh my! Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. She got one too. Oh no, we pretty much. Yeah, please be delicious because I got a big piece.
It is delicious. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Cute little butterfly stamp. Is it a butterfly or a bow? Like by a person?
Yeah.
No way. Awesome. I love it.
Well, we both didn't feel super great today, so I feel like Kyle, your birthday didn't really feel like much of a birthday.
It's okay. It's been a great day.
We both took naps
Nice
at
and
different
relaxing.
points. Kyle had to work the entire day, and one of my presents to him was a massage. So we're just outside the place right now. Kyle's never had a massage before. I haven't had one in like 2 years, but there was a Groupon, so we're gonna go find out if this is a good place or not. And hopefully it's just a really relaxing time when we come out and all ready for bed, because
Gonna
that
be
would
great.
suit the rest of the
High
day.
expectations. We'll
I have
see.
low expectations just because when you don't know the masseuse, you just never know how it's gonna go. But okay, we'll update you after. Bye.
Bye.
We're home from our massage. Kyle, how was your first massage ever?
It was pretty good. I enjoyed it.
Yep. It wasn't like a 10 out of 10, but a 6?
Yeah, solid 6.5, 7, something like that.
Yeah.
Mhm.
I feel better now. We're both still pretty, I don't know, we're both just kind of
Just lethargic.
meh. Yeah, so good thing we had a fun birthday weekend, because the actual birthday day is just kind of...
And it's better than the last 5 years.
That's true.
School.
I hate school birthdays. All right, we're gonna go read and then go to bed.
Yep. Happy birthday, Kyle.
Thanks for watching.
Is it filming?
No,
No.
I know. That would have been great. Have a sit.
Have a sit.